Good morning, student. I am Akhilesh Kumar, going to teach you physics of class 10th. Okay, and your current chapter is human eye. Okay, and your current point is defect of vision and their correction. Defect of vision and their correction. We know that in human eyes we have several defects. Okay, and we also know that how can they correct. Okay, so in this chapter, in this point, we just study about that defects and their correction. Okay, sometimes the eye are not able to see anything clearly. It causes due to loss of power of accommodation and the vision because the blood due to the refractive defects of the eye. Okay, sometimes we can able to see these have it has both cases, both cause, but the first one is important as power of loss of power of accommodation. Loss of power of accommodation, you know very well that accommodation means the fix of the focal length of eye lens. Okay, when we lost this capacity we are not able to see. Okay, and second one is the refract refractive defects. Okay, you know that our eye is filled with gel like a structure which is totally transparent, but when it is disturbed, that means it look like a transparent object, sorry, translucent object, then we can not able to see. Okay, so we just suffer from the defect of visions. Okay, we have some three important defect of eye. Okay, first one is myopia, second one is hypermetropia, third one is presbyopia. Myopia is also known as the nearsightedness. Nearsightedness. Hypermetropia is farsightedness. Okay, this defect can be corrected by using suitable spherical lenses. Okay, these are not permanently, but these can be corrected also. Okay, myopia. What do you mean myopia? A person can see nearby object clearly. A person see nearby object clearly, but can't see the distant object. Okay, he can able to see the object that is near to him, but he cannot able to see the object that is far from him. Okay, so this type of uh, defect is known as the nearsightedness or myopia. Okay, in this case image formed in front of retina. Okay, where the image formed in this case, image is formed in front of retina, not on retina. Okay, na? Before the in front of retina. Okay, causes, what are the causes to that occur this type of defect of vision? Okay, first of one is excessive curvature of eye lens. Excessive curvature of eye lens. When the curvature of eye lens is increased, then its focal length should be decreased. Okay, lens become thick and its focal length reduces. Okay, so the image formed in front of retina, not on the retina. Inlong Elongation of the eyeballs. Elongation of eyeballs. When the eyeballs elong, that means the distance between lens and retina should be increased, and in that case also the image formed in front of retina. Okay, so these are the main two causes that occur to the myopia. Okay, when we use concave lens, of appropriate power, then we should correct this type of vision, defect vision. Okay, so myopia is a defect in which we can't able to see the distant object, we can't clearly see the nearby object. Okay, what are the causes? That means if the focal length of the lens is decreased, or the distance between eye lens or retina should be increased. In both two cases, we can suffer from the myopia. Okay, and when we try to correct this, we have to use the concave lens of the appropriate power. Concave lens of the appropriate power, and we can correct this type of defect of vision. Okay, in our next video we just study about the hypermetropia and presbyopia. Thank you.